Inhlangano zomphakathi zithi ukuhlala endlini engafanele, ukufuduka, indlala nokucwaswa kubambezela impi yokulwisana ne-TB. ISouth Africa inesibalo sabantu abangu-86% abanesifo sofuba emhlabeni jikelele. Ongoti bathi ungalitholi usizo olufanele kusanesikhathi kwandisa abantu abatheleka ngesifo sofuba. Kodwa ongoti bathi iSouth Africa isasele ngasemuva efikeni nesixazululo esihlanganisa imikhakha ehlukene yomphakathi.
It is not only the household and community that is important, but also the workplace and employment-related movement. In particular, I think we underestimate the impact of migration on case finding and retention in care.
ISouth Africa ithole incomo ngemizamo yayo emisha yokungenelela eqhakambisa ubufakazi phambili. Isikhwama somhlaba se-TB sithi iSouth Africa ibe sohlwini lamazwe ahlomulayo kuso ngo-2013. Kodwa imizamo eminingi yakuleli yokungenelela iSouth Africa ibeyixhasa yona.
Tools and innovations by themselves will not be able to reach the people, and therefore there must be continuous quality improvement, effective implementation to ensure that the tools actually do what they are meant to do and help to increase the coverage, and we get the full benefit from this tool.
Bongani Gema, Iindaba SABC eThekwini.